Hello everyone, and welcome back to a new video. In this video, I'm gonna show you guys how you can turn off shuffle on Spotify. So if you guys want to learn how to do it, just follow the steps that I'm gonna show you. As you can see guys, I'm right now in Spotify, and this is how the homepage looks like. So right here, as you can see guys, in the left side of your screen, you're gonna find all of the sections. Here you're gonna find the home section. Right here, you're gonna find search. And here, as you can see guys, you're gonna find all of your playlists. Here you're gonna find the option to expand your library if you want. So right now, in order to turn off shuffle on Spotify, firstly, we're gonna go to a playlist. For example, I'm gonna go to this playlist. And as you can see, guys, right here, you're gonna find the list of all of the songs in this playlist. For example, I'm gonna play this one. And as you can see, guys, once you play the song, right here in the bottom, you're gonna find these icons right here. So basically, guys, this icon is for enabling or disabling the shuffle. So if you click on it, it will turn green. If it's green, that means that the shuffle is enabled. And if you want to turn it off, just click on it and then it will be off. Right here, you're going to find the pause play button. Right here, you can go back or go next. And from here, you can repeat the playlist or repeat the song. Right here, as you can see, guys, you can view the now playing menu. Right here, you can add the song to the queue. You can also connect a device if you want. If you click on these three dots right next to any song, you can add it to another playlist that you already have. Or if you click on new playlist, you can create a new playlist. You can remove it or add it to liked songs, add it to queue, go to song radio, go to artist, go to album, view credits, and lastly, share it from here. So this is it guys for today's video. Thank you guys for watching. See you guys in the next video.